Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and we're now going to be solving a geometry problem dealing with the circumference of circles. What you want to do with any geometry problem that you're given is label the information given in the problem onto the diagram provided. This is the first thing you always want to do. So let's go ahead and do that together. In the figure shown, the two circles are tangent at point Y. So at point Y, they barely touch each other and at no other point. And xz, so this length here, equals 9. We're also told that the circumference of a circle with center x, so let's go ahead and write circumference of a circle with center x, is half the circumference of the circle with center z. So half of this value equals the circumference of the circle with center z. And we're asked for the length of yz. Now, yz here, since we're told that z is the center, happens to be the radius of this circle. We're going to call that rz. And then xy happens to be the radius of this circle. We're going to call that rx. And because the formula for circumference is 2 pi r and puts everything in terms of the radii, we can go ahead and plug this formula for each specific radius into the information that was given us. So we would see that half of 2 pi rx equals 2 pi rz. And we can cancel out 1/2 times 2 here because that comes out to 1. And we can also cancel out pi on each side since if you divide both sides by pi that would go away. And then you end up with rx equals 2 rz. Another piece of information we're given is that xz equals 9. So if you add up rx and rz, that comes out to 9. And we're looking for the value of rz to find out the length of yz. So one way of doing this is to set rx equal to something in terms of rz, and then we don't have to deal with that knowing rx anymore. So let's go ahead and subtract rz from this side of the equation and set rx equal to 9 minus rz. And then we can go ahead and plug that back into what we have up here and say 9 minus rz equals 2 rz. And if we add rz to both sides of the equation, we would end up with 9 equals 3 rz. So then all we have to do is divide 9 by 3, which would give us 3 equals rz, and that's our answer. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.